Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a Murdle puzzle. This is Hangman Wordle, and you'll see why after I've started with yesterday's answer of timer. Some pretty common letters here, this should be helpful. But of course, I get 5 greys, because that's hubris. Now you can see at the top, that means we've also lost 5 lives, just like in regular Hangman, because we guessed 5 wrong letters. Simple as that. You only start with 10 lives, so that does mean any guess now could be my last. But I'm going to try all of the remaining vowels because I don't want this guess to be my last, and surely trying all the vowels, at least 1 or 2 of them will be correct. We might only have a Y, so this still could be my last guess, but it's very unlikely. And in fact, we've got the A and the L, so we have made some progress, but it's still not a very good position to be in, is it? We've only got 2 lives left. I don't know what to try. I think I'm going to have to try a duplicated A or L. How about canal? The thing is, if there's only one A in this word, we won't lose a life for the wrong A. You only lose a life for one occurrence per letter. And if it's a duplicated letter, then if there's a correct one and a wrong one, you don't lose a life for that. But it was by-law, so we were absolutely nowhere near that. I was never going to try the B, Y and W on my next guess. That is just a ridiculously tricky one. I suppose I could have tried for Y at some point, especially once the I and the E were wrong on the first guess. So I might have got the middle 3 letters, but I was never going to get them in the right order. And it was going to be a while before I tried the B and the W. So that was a very tricky one. But it does mean it's a Murdle failure. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.